We're going to use a ball. In this instance, you can use anything. Maybe a short table, a short chair. Okay? So basically, your knees are together, nice and tight. Okay? It's essential on the lift that you tighten your glutes as tightly as possible. Okay? So basically, what you're going to do is you're going to lift, bum off the ground. Okay? Squeeze as tightly as you can, hold for 2 seconds, and then go back down again. So you're going to go up, squeeze, down. Up, squeeze, down. 3 more. Brilliant. Again, we're going to raise it using either a medicine ball or the table or a slight little bench, anything like that. 1 foot on, 1 foot straight up in the air. Okay. It's a very quick movement. What you do is come up and straight down. You'll feel that contraction. Okay. Again, you have to squeeze your glutes as tightly as possible. 3, 2, 1. Up and down. Let's do 3 for me. 2 more. Last one. Brilliant. Straight down. Okay. If you don't have a kettlebell, you can use any weights, such as a dumbbell, brick, anything like that, or even at home, and some sand in the bag. Use that as a weight. Okay? All I want you to do is you're going to go down to a squat position. Okay? The only difference between this and a normal dynamic squat is you're going to hold the squat at the bottom for 3 seconds. Right? So you're going to go nice and low. Let's go down to a squat position. You're going to hold it there for 3, 2, 1. Well done. Up again. Okay? Second break at the top, and you straight down. Okay? So let me do 3 in a row. Okay? 3, 2, 1. You're going to go down for me. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Up, down. 3, 2, 1. Up, down. 3, 2, 1. Up, down. Well done.